Hi, thanks for taking the trouble to visit this Mont Alpi video series. Today we're going to be having a look at the Mont Alpi D436, a beautiful stainless steel and granite worktop barbecue. Let's get started. Okay, let's begin with the lid. The stainless steel lid is double skinned for durability and a cleaner appearance, as well as being insulated to retain more heat for a better and more even cooking experience. Now we're going to lift the lid. Under the lid you'll find that a rotisserie and the back burner. These two combined give a great spit roasting experience and ensures even heat and good colour. The back burner is a ceramic back burner, so it gives a really good heat which gives good colour to your meat. You'll also find interior lights. For cooking, you might not think you're going to use these, but as the evenings draw in, they're a really good addition. The cooking grates on the 436 are cast iron. You'll need to oil them periodically, the same as you would a cast iron pan, but the benefits are that you get great colour on your food from the intense heat, and colour is flavour. Under the cooking grates you'll find the flame taming bars. On the Mont Alpi range, these are double skinned marine grade stainless steel. The double skin helps to even out the heat and give infrared heat. On the 436 you'll find the marine grade stainless steel burners located under the flame tamers. Let's have a look at the control panel. Here you will see 6 illuminated controls. The blue lights on top are fantastic for evening barbecuing. 4 of the controls are for the main barbecue, 1 for the back burner and 1 for the ceramic steak sizzler. In the middle you will have the ignition, and of course no barbecue should be without a bottle opener. Okay, on the front of the lid you'll find the thermometer. When cooking larger joints or for longer periods, the thermometer is a must. Just like cooking inside the kitchen, it will help you with your timings. One of the unique features of the Mont Alpi range are these solid granite worktops. Easy to clean, very durable, and they look good too. The ceramic steak sizzler is located under this lid. More than just a side burner, it will reach 800 degrees, so you can really get your steak perfectly seared. If you turn it down, you can put a pan on to boil or fry onions. The choice is yours. Under the barbecue, we have a good deal of storage, all made to look neat and tidy behind these insulated doors. The reason we've insulated them and double skinned them is so that they don't clank about. You may not give the casters of your barbecue much thought, but we have. And with these premium quality ones, you can move your barbecue around without the wheels coming off. Okay, so we're done. Thanks for watching this Mont Alpi presentation. Have a look out for some other videos in the range, including cooking tips.